Hi, hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel Maths with Balakrishna. Today I am going to explaining class 10th chapter 7 coordinate geometry exercise 7.1 question number 4. In previous videos I am explained question number 1, 2, 3. So here now I am explaining question number 4. Check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4, 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle means what? Any two sides are equal in a triangle. The triangle is called isosceles triangle. So how we can prove that any two sides? By using the distance formula between 2 points. Okay, so here given a 5 comma minus 2, b 6 comma 4, c 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of a triangle. So distance AB nothing but side of triangle ABC, one side. So here what is the formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here x1 is 5, y1 is minus 2, x2 is 6, y2 is 4. So the formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So 6 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus of minus 2 whole square. So here 6 minus 1, that is how much? 1 square. So 4 minus plus 2 whole square. So that is your square root 1 square 1 plus 4 plus 2 6 square. So that is your square root of 1 plus 6 square 36. 1 plus 36 how much? 37. So here the distance of AB is how much? 37. Next, the distance BC is what is the formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So in these 2 points B point 6 comma 4, C 7 comma minus 2. So 6 4 x1 6 y1 4 7 minus 2, x2 is 7, y2 is minus 2. So that is your square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. So that is your 7 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1. So that is your minus 2 minus 4 whole square. So 7 minus 1, 7 minus 6, how much? 1 square. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 whole square. So that is your square root 1 minus 6 whole square. Minus 6 into minus 6, minus plus 6 6 ja 36. So 36 plus 1, that is how much? 37. So the distance of BC is how much? Square root 37. So here AB distance is square root 37, BC distance is square root 37. So next the distance of CA is square root of 5 minus 7 whole square plus minus 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. So here 5 minus 7, that is minus 2 whole square minus 2 minus plus 2 whole square. So that is here square root minus 2 whole square, how much? 4. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So here square root 4 plus 0. So that is here square root 4. That is square root of 2 square. Square root cancel, that is 2. So CA length is how much? Root 2. So here in a triangle ABC, so AB length is square root 37, BC length is root 37, so CA length is root 2. So any two sides are equal, therefore the triangle is isosceles triangle. So therefore here ABC are the vertices of a isosceles triangle. Next, question number 5. Show that the following points form a equivalent triangle: A comma 0, B minus A comma 0, C 0 comma A root 3. So here given A comma 0, b minus a comma 0, c 0 comma a root 3 are vertices of a triangle. Here what they are asking that show that the points form a equilateral triangle. How we can show that? Equilateral triangle means what? All sides are equal. So all sides, how we can get the distance between 2 points? Okay, that is called side. So here distance AB is equal square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here x1 is a, y1 is 0, x2 is minus a, y2 is 0. x1 is a, x2 is minus a, y1 is 0, y2 is equal 0. So that is a square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. So that is a minus a whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 0 minus 0 whole square. So that is a square root of minus a, that is a minus 2a whole square plus 0 minus 0, 0 square. So that is a minus 2a whole square, that is a minus 2 whole square a square plus 0. So minus 2 whole square, that is a 4a square plus 0, 4a square. So here square root 4 into square root a square. So square root 4 you can write as 2 square a square. Square root cancel, square root cancel, that is 2a. So the distance AB is how much? 2a. So here AB distance is equal to 2a. So the triangle ABC, its length is 2a. So next, the distance between BC the distance of BC is B is minus a comma 0, C 0 comma a root 3. So the distance of BC is equal square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that is here square root of here 0 minus of minus a whole square plus a root 3 minus 0 whole square. So that is your square root of minus plus 0 plus a whole square plus a root 3 whole square. So 0 plus a square plus this one a square root 3 whole square. So a root 3 whole square. So here a and root 3 common power is 2. So here we can write as square root of a square plus square root cancel, that is here 3a square. So here is equal square root of 3a square plus a square, 4a square. So that is square root of AB is equal square root a into square root b. So square root 4 into square root a square. So square root 4, that is 2 square root a square. Square root cancel, square root cancel, that is here 2a. So the BC length is how much? 2a. Next find that CA length. So the CA length is also we can get 2a. Then the triangle form a equilateral triangle CA. So here a is 0, x1 is 0, y1 is a root 3. So x2 a, y2 0. So here the formula is x2 minus x1, that is a minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1. So that is here 0 minus a root 3 whole square. So a minus 0, that is a, 0 minus a root 3, that is here minus a root 3 whole square. So that is here a square plus here a minus a root 3. So we can write as minus a whole square root 3 whole square. Square root cancel, that is here a square minus a square means a square into 3, 3a square. So is equal square root of 4a square. So here square root of 4a square we can write as square root 4 into square root a square. 4 we can write as 2 square root a square. Square root cancel, that is equal to how much? 2a. So the CA length is also 2a. So that is here AB is equal BC is equal to CA is equal to A. All sides are equal. So therefore AB are the vertices of a equilateral triangle. Therefore ends proved. So equilateral triangle means what? All sides are equal. Next, if the distance between 2 points x comma 7 and 1 comma 15 is 10, find the value of x. So here given the distance between points x comma 7 and 1 comma 15 is 10 units. So what the formula distance between 2 points? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to 10. So here x1 is x, y1 is 7, x2 is equal to 1, y2 is equal to 15. So that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, that is here 1 minus x whole square plus 15 minus 7 whole square is equal to 10. So in left side there is square root. The square root is moving to right side of an square, or we can do that square on both sides. Square on both sides. SOBS means square on both sides. So that is a square root of 1 minus x whole square plus 15 minus 7, 8 is equal to 10 square. Square root cancel. That is 1 minus x whole square plus 8 square. So 1 minus x whole square, it is in the form of a square, a minus b whole square. You can write as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that is 1 square minus 2 into 1 into x plus x square plus 8 square 64 is equal to 10 square 100. Okay. So 1 square 1 minus 2x plus x square plus 64 is equal to 100. Here plus 100 come to left side and minus. So now we can arrange in order. So that is here x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 64, that is plus 65, minus 100 come to left side open, plus 100 come to left side open, minus. So here x square minus 2x minus 35 is equal to 0. So 35 how you can write 5 7. So the product of these factors is that sum or subtraction will become x quotient. Here what is the x quotient? Minus 2. So that is here plus 5 minus 7. So that is here x square plus 5x minus 7x minus 5 into 7 is equal to 0. So in this 2 what the common? X of x plus 5. In this 2 what the common? Minus 7 of x plus 5 is equal to 0. So that is here x plus 5 of x minus 7 is equal to 0. So the product of two terms is two polynomials is 0. Either first one is 0 or second one is 0. So x plus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 7 is equal to 0. Plus 5 is going to side open minus. Minus 7 is going to side open plus. So the x values are x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to 7. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and share to your friends. Thank you.